I am Ramesh from Punarusu Graphics, CEO. We are in the line from last 27 years. We supply 37 cities across India, the manufacture of industrial stickers, label and signages. We make all the products according to the international standards. We are into the category of genset, electrical panel boards, water purifiers, furnitures, electrical and electronics, instruments. We beautify all the component or the equipments through our stickers, label and signages. Since I am in the line from last 27 years, I face a lot of problems in marketing and managing my staff, and with the competition, tough competition in the market. So we are forced to start an organization called Business to Business Network, BBN called. It's an organization where all entrepreneurs sit together in a banquet hall and help each other. We see our growth by connecting one-to-one and their contacts. So we are going to improve our business. This is a structured organization after a lot of research and meeting network top leaders whole world, and we have made all the things so easy, so that the connections are becoming easy. The member will give their own contacts to other member, one-to-one help. It's called an exponential growth is going to happen. All members are called exponential entrepreneurs. So this has started 1.5 years back. We are running in Rajajinagar, one place called Star Forum. That is the first forum started 1.5 years back, and last year we started one more forum in the name of RACE. So it is being headed by another 2 directors. So this is actually like a franchise system. We wanted to open several forums like this, so that where a lot of entrepreneurs join together and make a big business. So in an easy way, and we wanted to run whole complete BBN as an ethical way of growing business. So this really helps all entrepreneurs in one place. They get all kinds of services. Example, an insurance or an advocate or an auditor or a manufacturer of a seat cover, water purifiers, furniture, interiors, decorators, advisors, financial advisors, or a trainer, like that computers. So camera, that is in reference to any audio and video systems. Like this, you get a lot of different kinds of people will come, so that the life of any entrepreneur will become easy. So whatever he wants, he gets the help of through the other member. All the members works like brothers and sisters to help each other without any commissions. So we got a system of inviting VIPs to generate more and more links, so that every businessman will grow in a faster mode. This is a structured way of getting links week after week, and it is going to be very, very strong. There is a great personalized training will be given, so that they can present their own product in a better way. Finally, this our members will become an artist and scientist. Like an artist, they are able to present their products in a beautiful way. So they become a magnet, so that they attract their customers to their products. And as well as a scientist in manufacturing and delivering the products which they are making it. So they apply the science and technology into that, and they become experts. So this is what we are going to spread, wanted to spread across the country and across the globe also. I am forced to think a lot about the changes. The force, the incident or the situation made me to think a lot about this. I faced a very bad time at that time. Whole workers cheated me, customers ditched, lot of payments stuck up. We faced a lot of problems. Then I started only technically learning is not possible. We have to learn management. We have to learn latest technology. From 1991, even now I am learning myself every day. Right way always give you strength, and learn every day, and in such a way that you can manage everything. Trust your seniors, take the advice of experts. Your hard work, your sincerity and your knowledge definitely makes you more and more powerful over a period of time.